Alright, hello guys. I've been pulling back and been busy and haven't got to my part 3 of the video, and I got about 2 days behind on it. I've been caught up playing Steam games with me and my other friends. Um, so you guys have been wanting to know how to edit shops, add shops, all that stuff, including shops. So this tutorial is going to focus on shops, most likely, maybe a few extra other things. But as you can see, I only have this up on a host right now. I deleted all my clients, my sources, basically all on my normal computer. So this is just a backup source that I have from when I used to host a server back then. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your source and then go to the config folder and then go into the shops.config file. You're going to want to open that up, and you should see like shop 123 ranging armor, etc., with the shop name, sell by, and the items. The items right there are telling what are on there. The first one is saying that item ID, which is 554, which is like a rune, I think, for mage, and amount, which is 50,000. So it's gonna have 50,000 of like errands in that shop, and so on, is what it's gonna do for that. Now, what you're gonna want to, if you're gonna want to add shops, that's completely different. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to client.java, and we're gonna edit the font on this one, and we're gonna search for Wani shop, as said above, and you will continue to search until you find something just like this right here. Nope, let's continue on down, and then you should see right here, yes, there's this. Alright, right here is where, like, in this, anything with this code right here, if NPC ID, whatever, and put NPC codes true, and Wani shop 42 is representing, so 42 of the shop will be the PK points exchange, and it will be that NPC on the server. So like, say like you want like a banker ID 494 on there, just like type in shop 43 on there, and you can name it whatever you want. Let's say shop 43 banker, and then you just add on all your junk and items, etc., and then you're gonna want to go into here, and you're gonna do if NPC ID == 494, which is representing the banker ID, and then you're gonna put a space, enter, and then you're gonna put NPC chords == true. And you're gonna want to do Wani shop == 43, and then your closing bracket. That is what you're gonna need for that, to have that shop being sold with stuff in it and having the NPC put. Now, to have the NPC in the server, of course, you're gonna want to go to config and then go to autospawn.config. Right here is all your designated NPCs that you have in your whole entire server, such as spawn, right here up top 2263, that's the ID right there. 3017 is the X coordinates, 4824 is the Y coordinates, keep 0 there on all of them. And then extra ones are extra X and Y coords if you wanted to move around in those certain places. And then of course you're going to have to add the 1 at the end for all your NPCs that you add in there. Now, that is basically it for the shops. I'm not sure what else I could tell you about them. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory about them. There's nothing to them. I mean, if you guys are having problems still from looking at this tutorial, you can ask me. There's also something I'd like to talk about, such as clan chat. That's going to be coming up. I'm going to add that on part 4 of the tutorial if you guys are in need of help with that for Delta users at least. I mean, I mastered out on Delta coding, so I'll at least have Delta 100% right. I mean, if you guys have errors, you can post the comments below, and I'm going to be my best to try and get to them as soon as possible and answer your questions. But clan chat's going to be coming up on part 4 with client side and server side, as in it will show the names of the clan, the talking in clan name, owner, whatever the owner whoever the owner made it, and it's going to show who's in the clan as clan chat on the list on the tab, and you'll be able to type in there as well, and it will come up as like your clan name, say like test1212, so like it'll be like parentheses test112 whatever, and then your saying of what you want to type into the chat for the clan chat all to see. So that basically sums it up for this whole entire tutorial on part 3. I didn't really know what else to talk about for part 3. I mean, all you guys were worrying about were shops, but there's going to be more stuff in part 4. There's going to be clan chat. I'm probably going to add more stuff if I can fit clan chat in within 10 minutes around that because of the YouTube limit. I guess this is it. I guess I'll see you guys later. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.